वेलकम टू माय चैनल एड्यूशा। एक मॉक टेस्ट मैंने कंडक्ट किया था, ठीक है। एक मॉक टेस्ट बनाया था जिसका आंसर इस वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करूंगा। अगर आप वो मॉक टेस्ट का पेपर डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं पीडीएफ में, तो आप मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे जा करके उसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। टेलीग्राम का लिंक है t.me/wbcs7, ठीक है। ये जो है लिंक है टेलीग्राम चैनल का, यहाँ पर जा करके आप लोग पीडीएफ डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे और भी स्टडी मटेरियल्स प्रेजेंट हैं, ठीक है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं ये वीडियो। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन देखिए, यहाँ पे आपको गिव वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन बताना है वर्ड का। रेबिलियन अगेंस्ट लॉफुल अथॉरिटी, इसका आंसर होगा म्यूटिनी, ठीक है। सेकेंड, वन हु परफॉर्म्स डेयरिंग जिम्नास्टिक फीट्स, इसका आंसर होगा एक्रोबैट। थर्ड, पर्सन हु वेस्ट हिज मनी ऑन लग्जरी, इसका होगा एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट। ए पर्सन हु लिव्स बाय हिमसेल्फ, ठीक है, इसका आंसर होगा रिक्लूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वायलेशन ऑफ द सैंक्टिटी ऑफ द चर्च, इसका वन वर्ड होगा सैक्रिलेज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, द सिनोनिम ऑफ लोथिंग इज, लोथिंग का सिनोनिम बताना है, हेट्रेड होगा। ईयर्न का सिनोनिम बताना है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में, इसका आंसर होगा क्रेव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में आपको प्रोपेंसिटी का एंटोनिम बताना है, इसका एंटोनिम होगा ऑप्शन डी डिसइंक्लिनेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, एगोनी का एंटोनिम, ऑप्शन ए इकेस्टेसी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, द एंटोनिम ऑफ मोर्नफुल इज जॉयस। फिर यहाँ देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में, चूज द करेक्ट एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस फ्रॉम द 4 अल्टरनेटिव्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस। द वेटर फिल्ड द ग्लास विथ वाटर, इसका क्या होगा, ऑप्शन बी द ग्लासेस वेयर फिल्ड बाय विथ वाटर बाय द वेटर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 से 15 तक एक्चुअली जो है यहाँ पे एडियम का मीनिंग बताना है, अप्रोप्रिएट मीनिंग क्या होगा, ठीक है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 में देखिए, थ्रो इन द टॉवेल, थ्रो इन द टॉवेल का होगा ऑप्शन डी एडमिट डिफीट। बाइट योर टंग, बाइट योर टंग का होगा स्टॉप टॉकिंग, स्टॉप योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम सेइंग समथिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, हेड इन द क्लाउड्स, हेड इन द क्लाउड्स का होगा टू डे ड्रीम, ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, टू विन लॉरेल्स, ठीक है, इसका होगा ऑप्शन डी टू अर्न ग्रेट प्रेस्टीज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, एवरी रैश ड्राइवर बिकम्स ए पोटेंशियल किलर। द स्मेल ऑफ द सी कॉल्ड डैश मेमोरीज ऑफ हर चाइल्डहुड, इसका आंसर होगा सी अप। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, द फादर वॉज टू डैश टू पुश द हेवी डोर, फीबल। इसमें आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, 20 में देखिए नरेशन का क्वेश्चन है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, द लॉयर सेड टू हिज क्लाइंट वी विल विन द केस, इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी द लॉयर टोल्ड द क्लाइंट दैट दे वुड विन द केस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, मोती आस्क्ड गंगू वेदर द लेटर वाज इन हिज सेंसेस, इसका होगा ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 में करेक्टली स्पेल्ड वर्ड आपको बताना है। परसिक्यूशन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आंसर ये होगा, परसिक्यूशन ये करेक्ट स्पेलिंग है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 में देखिए यहाँ पे जो बोल्ड किया गया है वर्ड, उसके जगह में क्या आना चाहिए, द फिल्म शो बिगैन व्हेन वी अराइव्ड इन द हॉल, ठीक है। तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए हैड बिगन। ही हैड फॉर गुड लेफ्ट इंडिया, इसको आपको करेक्ट बताना है क्या होगा, इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ही हैज़ लेफ्ट इंडिया फॉर गुड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, 25 में देखिए पैराजम्बल दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे आपको अरेंज करना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 का आंसर होगा बी PQRS और क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 का आंसर होगा डी QSPR, ठीक है। इसके बाद देखिए यहाँ पे हिस्ट्री का सेगमेंट शुरू होता है 26 से। 26 नंबर क्वेश्चन है, हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन बिलोंग्स टू, ये होगा प्रोटो हिस्टोरिक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, हु वाज द फर्स्ट यूरोपियन टू डिजिग्नेट आर्यन एज अ रेस, इसका आंसर होगा मैक्स मुलर। इन विच लैंग्वेज वाज द श्रीमद् भगवद गीता ओरिजिनली रिटन, भगवद गीता कौन से लैंग्वेज में ओरिजिनली लिखा गया था, संस्कृत। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, द स्तूपा ऑफ सांची वाज फर्स्ट कंस्ट्रक्टेड ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ अशोका। हु इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ संख्या दर्शना, संख्या दर्शना का फाउंडर कौन है, कपिला। Which of the following was not a learning center of Indian ancient India? It's Kaushambi. Who wrote न्याय शास्त्र? न्याय शास्त्र किसने लिखा? भरत मुनि. Most of the Chola temples were dedicated to Shiva. Gupta dynasty was famous for art and architecture. The three Sangams were held under the patronage of which kingdom? ठीक है, इसका आंसर होगा द पांड्याज. रथ यात्रा इन पुरी इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन द ऑनर ऑफ लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ. ऑप्शन सी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज नॉट डायरेक्टेड बाय सत्यजीत रे? सलाम बॉम्बे. ऑप्शन सी. Who discovered the Cape route from Europe to India? Vasco da Gama. Which Portuguese governor introduced the policy of imperialism? इसको अल्फांसो दी अल्बुकर्क ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. The treaty signed at the end of the Second Anglo-French War was Treaty of Pondicherry. Question number 41. Who was the author of Gita Govinda? It's Jayadeva. 41 का D जयदेव. 42. Mihir Bhoj was a great ruler of which dynasty? B. Pratiharas. Vijay Stambha is located in Chittor. One of the 9 jewels of Akbar, who was a famous Hindi poet, was Abdul Rahim Khan Khanan. Which Mughal emperor established Zanjeer-e-Adl chain of justice at Agra fort for the seekers of royal justice? इसका आंसर होगा B. Jahangir. 5th Sikh Guru Arjun Dev was contemporary of which Mughal emperor? जहांगीर के ये कंटेम्प्रेरी थे. ठीक है. Who among the following rulers had stamped the figure of goddess Lakshmi on his coins and his name inscribed in Nagari characters? इसका आंसर होगा B. मोहम्मद गौरी. नकीब खान and Sheikh Sultan of Thaneshwar were the scholars in which among the following Mughal emperor's court? Akbar. Which of the following rulers built the Gujri Mahal in Hisar, Haryana? It's Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Question number 50. The Battle of Bharej 1033 that resulted into complete annihilation of the Ghaznavid army, that thus leading a pause in the Muslim conquest in India, was won by which of the following kings? इसका आंसर होगा B. नारवर्मन. B. सुहालदेव. Question number 51. प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस coincides with? इसका आंसर होगा B. गांधी जी इज रिटर्न फ्रॉम साउथ अफ्रीका. 52. Referendum has an integral relationship with direct democracy. Who among the following was the first law minister of India? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which one of the following rights conferred by the Constitution of India is also available to the non-citizens? It's option C. Freedom to acquire property or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. Question number 55. A fundamental right guaranteed in the Indian Constitution can be suspended only by a proclamation of national emergency. Question number 56. Constitution permits preventive detention but stipulates that no one should be detained beyond 3 months unless an advisory board authorities further detention. Question number 57. Which one of the following is not a correct statement in relation to the provisions of the Indian Constitution? इसका आंसर होगा B. No person shall be denied bail. Question number 58. Under which article of the Constitution can an individual move the Supreme Court directly in case of any violation of a fundamental rights? It's Article 32. Freedom of the press in India is C. implied in the right of freedom of expression. Question number 60. When a bill is referred to a joint sitting of both the houses of the parliament, it has to be passed by a simple majority of members present and voting. 61. In what way does the Indian Parliament exercise control over the administration? Through parliamentary committees. The Parliament can make any law for the whole or any part in India for implementing international treaties without the consent of any state. Question number 63. विच इज़ नॉट अ पावर ऑफ हाई कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट का इसमें से कौन सा पावर नहीं है? ऑप्शन सी सुपरविजन ओवर ट्राइब्यूनल्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड बाय लॉ रिलेटिंग टू आर्म्ड फोर्सेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 64, district judges are appointed by the governor of a state. Public interest litigation PIL may be linked with option B judicial activism. Nationalization of 14 commercial banks took place in 1969. Head count ratio is widely used in India as a measure of poverty. National Rural Employment Guarantee Schemes give right to 100 days a year. 69, which 5-year plan was suspended 1 year before its time schedule? Fifth plan. Which of the following taxes duties is not under the jurisdiction of the central government? Land revenue. Bank rate is the rate at which Reserve Bank of India lends money to commercial banks. Option B. Who maintain foreign exchange reserve in our country? Reserve Bank of India. Industrial licensing was finally abolished with a few exceptions in the Industrial Policy 1991. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana JRY is meant for employment of rural unemployed. Which of the following was the period of annual plans? Option B 1966 से 69। यहाँ पे लिस्ट 1 से लिस्ट 2 को मैच करना है। यहाँ पे लिस्ट 1 में देखिए लॉर्ड बेंटिक, लॉर्ड डलहौजी, लॉर्ड रिपन, लॉर्ड कर्जन दिया हुआ है, और 1 2 3 4 करके द पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल, लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट, एबॉलिशन ऑफ सती प्रथा, डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ लैप्स दिया हुआ है। इसको मैच करना है। इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए। The aim of education as stated by the Woods Dispatch of 1854 was the promotion of literacy among the people using English medium of language. Which one of the following statements is not correct? Option A Ali Mardan Khan introduced system of revenue farming in Bengal. Question number 79, which one of the following statements about Subhash Chandra Bose is not correct? He took part in the Quit India movement. Which one of the following was a revolutionary who later turned into a yogi and a philosopher? It's Aurobindo Ghosh. Swaraj as a national demand was first made by Dadabhai Naoroji. 82, MC Setalvad, B.N. Rao and Alladi Krishna Swami Iyer were distinguished members of the Servants of India Society. Where was the Gadar revolutionaries who became active during the outbreak of the World War I based? North America. Who declared the only hope for India is from the masses, the upper classes are physically and morally dead? Swami Vivekanand. Who was the advocate at the famous INA trials? Bhulabai Desai. What was the ultimate goal of Gandhi's salt satyagraha? Repeal of salt laws. Question number 87, the movement that came to an abrupt end due to the Chauri Chaura incident was the non-cooperation movement. Option C. In 1890, the first women graduate of the Calcutta University addressed the Congress session. Who was she? It's Kadambini Ganguly. Option A. The Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental Defence Association 1893 was started by Syed Ahmad Khan. Which extremist leader opined, we will not achieve any success in our labors if we croak once a year like a frog? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The Ahrar movement, इसका आंसर होगा डी, all of the above. Question number 92, Hunter Commission was appointed by the British to probe into the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Which of the following proved to be the most short-lived of all British constitutional experiments in India? It's option B, the Indian Councils Act 1909. Who strongly objected to the British government's negotiating on terms of equality with the seditious fakir, that is Mahatma Gandhi, in February-March 1931? It's Winston Churchill. Mahadev Govind Ranade was a member of the Pratna Samaj. Who was the heroine of the 1942 Quit India movement? It's Aruna Asaf Ali. Who was invited by Lord Wavell to form the interim government in India in 1946? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which portfolio was held by Dr. Rajendra Prasad in the interim government formed in the year 1946? It's Food and Agriculture. Who among the following were official Congress negotiators with Cripps Mission? Pandit Nehru and Maulana Azad. When National Planning Committee set up under the chairmanship of Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the president of Indian National Congress? Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 101. The energy released during cellular respiration is stored in ATP. Among the following food items, which one has highest amount of carbohydrate? B. Banana. Which of the following is true? Heart circulates blood. Which one of the following fungi is commonly known as bread mold? Rhizopus. Athlete's foot or tinea pedis is caused by which of the following? ये फंगी के वजह से होता है. As per the Kepler's third law, the square of the time period of revolution of a planet is directly proportional to which of the following? इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, क्यूब ऑफ सेमी मेजर एक्सिस ऑफ इट्स एलिप्टिकल ऑर्बिट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 107. Which of these are electrochemical cells? Galvanic cells, electrolytic cells, both are electrochemical cells. So option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is correct about hydrazine? It's A. It is used in various rocket fuels. Hemophilia is caused by genetic mutation. BT seed is associated with cotton, BT cotton. Deep blue color is imparted to glass by the presence of cobalt oxide. In vulcanization, natural rubber is heated with sulfur. Sir C.V. Raman was awarded Nobel Prize for his work connected with which of the following phenomena of radiation? It's scattering. Good absorbers of heat are good emitters. Ventilators are provided at the top of the room to maintain convectional currents to keep the air fresh in the room. A body is acted upon by two unequal forces in opposite directions, but not in one line. The effect is that they will have rotational as well as translational motion. Question number 117. Silver mirror test is given by which one of the following compounds? इसका होगा ऑप्शन डी, 2 and 4, acetaldehyde and formaldehyde. Name the scientist who stated that matter can be converted into energy. It's Einstein. Which among the following diseases is characterized by complete loss of memory? Amnesia. Which among the following have been found to produce a protein called defensin 1, which has been found potential to develop drugs for antibiotic resistant bacteria? It's honeybee. Which of the following is not an example of pteridophyta? It's D. What is the atomic number of barium? बेरियम का atomic number होता है 56. Which of these gases is produced on addition of baking soda to food items? Carbon dioxide. Nuclear reactors are based on which of the following phenomena? Controlled nuclear fission. Which of the following are independent of mass during the projectile motion? All of the above. Question number 126. Which West Bengal Land Reform Act came into force in C. 1955? Dhanekhali is famous for tat industry. Jalpaiguri town is located in the bank of Teesta and Karla river. The group of stars arranged in a definite pattern is called constellation. Which among the following state of India is best known for saffron cultivation? Jammu and Kashmir. The Basawa Sagar Dam is located in which state? Karnataka. Which of the following passes are located in Jammu and Kashmir? It's option D, all of the above. Which of the following hill stations is known as Mini Munnar? Ambanad. B. The mangrove cover along the east coast of India is more than that of west coast for which of the following reasons? Presence of gradual slope along eastern coast. Kutch and Kathiawar Peninsula are separated from each other by which of the following Gulf bays? Gulf of Kutch. Most of the rivers of the Indo-Gangetic plains has which of the following type of drainage pattern? Dendritic. Duduma waterfalls is situated across which of the following river? Machkund. The longest beach of India is situated at which of the following place? It's Chennai. As per 2011 census, the state in India with the largest rural population is Uttar Pradesh. 2011 census covered how many districts in India? 640. As per 2011 census, the literacy rate in India is 74.04%. Which city is known as the door towards Bhutan? It's B. Jalpaiguri. The headquarters of the Tiger Project of Sundarban region is located at Gosaba. Canada Dam is associated with the project named Mayurakshi. Sidrapong of Darjeeling had India's first hydropower station. Which one of the following group live in Madhya Pradesh? It's coals. B. In which state Corbett National Park is located? Uttaranchal state. Which one of the following rivers has originated outside India? It's A. Indus. Which one of the following has not outflowed in Bay of Bengal? Narmada. C. Which one of the following has not outflowed in any ocean? It's B. Luni. When is the World Intellectual Property Day observed? It's option B. April 26. Which state or union territory launched the 5T School Transformation Program? It's B. Odisha. The Dimasa National Liberation Army is associated with which state? C. Assam. Denisova cave, which was seen in the news, is located in which country? Russia. Prevention of Money Laundering Act PMLA was enacted in which year? 2002. Kremlin is used to refer the government of which country? Russia. Which city hosted the Yoga Mahotsav to commemorate 50-day countdown to the International Day of Yoga? It's B. Jaipur. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Cheetah Project Steering Committee said by NTCA? It's A. Rajesh Bansal. Census 2021, which was postponed due to COVID-19, includes options for how many religions? 6. Which institution released the draft Master Directions on Cyber Resilience and Digital Payment Security Controls for PSOs? It's option C. RBI. Question number 161. Which country passed the Bill 490 which restricts the new recognition of ancestral land of indigenous people? It's C. Brazil. Avutomentive and defective combination which was seen in the news is proved effective in blocking which disease? It's tumor. Which is the only human species except Homo sapiens and Neanderthals which was engaged in burial practices? It's Homo naledi. Which is the first Central European country to legalize marriage equality for same-sex couples? It's Estonia. Karman Kaur Thandi is associated with which sports? Tennis. Which company is involved in the advanced stage clinical trial of skin cancer vaccine? It's C. Moderna. 167. As per recent Home Ministry data, which state recorded the most number of missing girls between 2019 and 2021? Madhya Pradesh. Which country has won the Spanish Federation Hockey Tournament? India. Scientists of which institution in association with Khalifa University UAE have developed cooling solution for electronic applications? IIT Madras. Which country is the host of multilateral tri-service exercise Bright Star 23? Egypt. The red list of IUCN provides the list of which of the following threatened species? Pitti Island, which is a bird sanctuary and a habitat of oceanic birds, is a part of B. Lakshadweep Island. Which is the world's most livable city as per the EIU's Global Livability Index 2023? It's A. Vienna. As per a recent report, what percent of sitting MPs in India have criminal cases? 40%. Which country released a discussion paper titled Ripple Effect Water Scarcity? B. UAE. क्वेश्चन नंबर 176 से लेकर 200 रीजनिंग और मैथ्स का क्वेश्चन है। इसका आंसर क्या होगा यहाँ पे मैं बता देता हूँ। 176 का होगा सी, 177 का बी, 178 का ए, 179 का आंसर होगा बी, 180 ए, 181 का आंसर होगा ए, 182 का आंसर होगा डी, 183 का आंसर होगा बी, 184 का आंसर होगा ए, 185 का आंसर होगा सी, 186 का बी, 187 का बी, 188 का ए, 189 का बी, 190 का ए, 191 का ए, 192 का डी, 193 का बी, 194 का बी, 195 का सी, 196 का बी, 197 का ए, 198 का डी, 199 का डी, 200 का बी। तो फ्रेंड्स ये था आंसर की मॉक टेस्ट 1 का। ठीक है, इसी तरह जो है और भी मॉक टेस्ट का पेपर मैं सेंड करूँगा। आप लोग इस चैनल के साथ बने रहिए और अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज़रूर ज्वाइन कर लीजिए t.me/WBCS7 नीचे यहाँ पे दिया हुआ भी है। ठीक है, यहाँ से आप इसको गूगल में सर्च करके ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं टेलीग्राम का चैनल। ठीक है।